So I accidentally damaged this rear panel on the caravan, and I got a new one. Cost like 300 quid, and I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to remove the bottom panel. It wouldn't come loose no matter what I did. So the solution is you have to remove the mid panel in the rear, and it's stuck on there real good, like an Alabama tick. So what you need to do, you need to insert a razor blade here real gently along the edge to loosen any silicone you see here. There's some residue, and once you've done that, you need to just carefully pry this part outwards. You can get a grip here, but just be careful not to crack it, and you can also get a grip under here. And as you can see, they're clipped in addition to being siliconed. There you go. So there are some clips up here. Once you get it loose like this, you can see that it's also attached. I don't know if you can see this. Well, it's also attached in there. So what you need to do then is you need to gently push in this direction, inwards, because it's kind of hooked on there with an L shape. Again, be careful, just do it little by little, and then we'll get it loose. And here you have the profile, the L profile I was talking about. So yeah, it's not really that hard, you just have to be careful not to damage anything. And now I have access, and we'll be able to change out this cracked panel. Yeah, that's it. Good luck.